Hi everyone! So today I wanted to take you along on a Havdalah that we're going to be doing. We are away for Shabbat. We're not home. We have a Shabbaton. A Shabbaton is basically when you gather a bunch of people together and you go away for Shabbat. So my husband was the one organizing this event where he's working, and there's going to be a beautiful Havdalah ceremony. Havdalah is basically a ceremony where you say goodbye to the Shabbat. So I'm going to record it and post it here. A lot of the times it's hard to record this kind of Havdalah because there's so many people there, and there are other people doing like Facebook lives and Instagram lives. So if you see people in front of my camera view, I apologize in advance. I just wanted to record it to share this with you. I hope you guys enjoy it. Also, after the Havdalah ceremony, there's going to be a Malava Malka, which is a meal that we basically say goodbye goodbye to Shabbat with. So I'm gonna record that as well and post it here. I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now let's get into the video. This past weekend, we went away to Connecticut for a couples retreat, and boy, was it amazing. It was so peaceful. The forest was right there. We absolutely had such a great time. It was a chance to just reconnect with your spouse and just to get away from it all. These are the basic ingredients that you need for Havdalah, and the rabbis here are going to do such an amazing job explaining the entire process.
First of all, it was a pleasure spending Shabbos with everyone. In this beautiful Lakota Oaks, Norwood, Connecticut.
Taking pictures as well. Back and
We're standing right now, everybody, together at the end of a beautiful Shabbos. Probably one of the most beautiful Shabbotim I think we can recall in a long time. What made it so beautiful? Certainly, beautiful davening, tefillot, Torah that we heard from the wonderful rabbis. Beautiful food that gave such joy to Shabbos. But I think probably what makes it the most beautiful is that we gave so much joy to Hashem by all of us being together. How much Hashem must love to see His children together, keeping a beautiful Shabbat. If you ask Hashem what's His dream, this is probably His dream as well. We have a few more moments till we finish the Havdalah. Then we're going to take, I think after a Shabbat like this is going to be a different week than we've ever had before. Shabbat, we start Shabbat by lighting 2 candles, one for Shamor, one for Zapor. 2 candlesticks are separate. But it's very interesting, at the end of Shabbat we take a candle and the wicks are braided together, combined together. 2 parts which were once separate now become one. I think that's how we feel at the end of Shabbat. Before Shabbat left, before Shabbat came, our neshama and our guf, maybe we're a little bit separate. At the end of Shabbat, we feel that our neshama guf came back together. Before Shabbat came, maybe we felt a little bit separate from Hashem. End of Shabbat, we feel so close once again. You know, we started the Shabbat, we look around the room, we see a lot of people, we don't know each other. We know each other, but we haven't seen each other in a long time. We stand there at the end of the Shabbat in a circle, with our arms around each other, beautiful candle in the middle, just thinking about what we went through together. A group of people come in separate cars. We end the Shabbat together like one family. So we're going to make 3 blessings right now. Make a blessing over the wine. Mavdil ben Kodesh L'Kro, which we separate from the Holy Shabbat back into the days of the week. We're going to make a blessing over the spices because on Shabbat Hashem gives us what we call Neshama Yetera, an extra soul to enable us to experience His closeness even more. We're going to smell those spices and help that Neshama leave. And we're going to make a blessing over the fire. Because sages teach us that Adam Arishon in the Garden of Eden, after his first Shabbat, Hashem taught him how to make fire. Because fire is the way we go out into the world and we change the world. Shabbat, we're not trying to change the world. We're just trying to change ourselves. Then we're going to hold up our fingernails to the candle. Remind ourselves that in the Garden of Eden, we were covered with nails. Whatever that means, I think it means something like the fact that our bodies didn't block the soul. You could look at a person, you could look right through them and see who they really are. Just like our fingernails are translucent, that's the way we look in the Garden of Eden. In the Shabbat, we remind ourselves the way we have to look at each other. It's not to see the outside, but to look for the inside, look for the soul of the human being, look for the real panemius of who we are. Finally, we're going to put out that candle. Wish each other a Shabbat Tov. Get ready for the week. Look forward to Shabbat. It's going to be right back with us 7 days from now. Almost there.
Almost there.
Oh gosh.
Guys,
When you swear Havdalah.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the Havdalah ceremony. I feel like it's so beautiful when they do it like this together in a Shabbaton. There's music and you feel the unity and the beauty of Shabbat and how it's leaving. Let me know if you have any questions about this ceremony, if you've never heard of it. Hopefully I'll record Havdalah ceremony in the home when it's like the most practical way that we do Havdalah, because obviously we are not in a Shabbaton like going away all the time. Leave me your comments down below, and now I'm gonna take you to the Malava Malka, which is like a party where we say goodbye to the Shabbat. So come along. After the Shabbat is over and Havdalah is done, the final meal then takes place. So we had a beautiful lavish meal that was catered in this couple's retreat. It was all dairy because during the 9 days, which we are in right now, we don't have any meat for specific reasons that I can go into later on. And everything is being set up now. You'll see Shai, my husband, in the background coordinating and helping things get set up as well. It was just a nice way for couples to just get away, mostly without their kids, just to reconnect, rejuvenate, put their relationship in the forefront. We had loads of fun. There was obviously delicious food, and then my husband's over there making cocktails for everyone, cheesecakes, and we also had some entertainment that you'll see in the end where people just got a chance to unwind and laugh a little. So as you can see, there were different stations set up. There was a pasta station, a pizza station, and this was for about 150 people, which is a huge feat, but it all went well and people had loads of fun.
At the couple Shabbaton, and we're going to play a game show special for you. Everybody on this side, you're going to be on team 1. Give it up for team 1. Everybody on the left over here, you're going to be on team 2.
We also got a turn playing a game, which was lots of fun. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video into a look of what Shabbat looks like when it is over with the Havdalah ceremony. Please give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel out, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Shavua Tov from my family to yours.